Hello and welcome back. So today's recipe is another quick, easy peasy and super delicious recipe. Yes, as you've already read it, it's for pancakes, and nothing can make pancakes taste better than Nutella. So yes, as you can see in the picture, so I have made a Nutella and mango pancake. But obviously you can skip mango, you can use any fruit of your choice, or you can skip fruit altogether and just have loads and loads of Nutella to it, and it's gonna be sinfully good. And it's a super simple recipe. It's eggless. You will literally take like 10 minutes to make these, so anytime you feel like having it, you can have it. You can just make a savory version of it, you can make a sweet version, you can skip Nutella, you can have it just like that, however you please. You can have whatever fruits of your choice, or maple syrup, or honey, or however you like it. But do not forget to try this recipe. Trust me, it's the fluffiest pancakes that you're going to have, and they are super tasty. Right, so let's not waste further time. Let's get started. And before I get started, guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so you keep getting notified for all the future videos. I hope you like the recipe, and I hope you guys do try it. If you do, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. Also, you can leave messages on whichever next recipe you'd like to see, and do not forget to subscribe. Until later, bye bye.